So how do you sharpen your chisel then? Probably the most controversial subject in woodworking. And this is obviously not me telling you how to do it. This is just how I do it, and it works for me. So I hollow grind my chisels. I tend to use Japanese chisels. I haven't got many of them. So I hollow grind, and then I use I believe that's the heel of the chisel, and I use that as a support. So I've got 2 points. I've got the front part and the heel there. And this I've been chopping out with this, so it's got a slightly damaged edge. So I'll first of all go on an 800 grit, which is quite coarse. Like that. And then I go on to a ceramic stone, which is obviously a lot finer. Same principle. Kind of trying to use the whole of the stone, the figure of eighting. But then I'll flatten on the ceramic. Getting quite a lot of pressure down on the chisel. Then the last stage is I've got a block of MDF, and I use a bit of this Autosol metal polish. Just smear it on the MDF, and again using the heel in the front, just pull it back. And I'll go on the flat as well. Let's see how it performs. Well, I can shave with it anyway, so it's got to be half sharp. Let's try it on a bit of wood. Right, let's try a bit of sapele, as I'm working in sapele at the moment. If there's any nicks or anything in it, there'll be a witness line. Let's try a bit of pine. So this is a bit of pine. So it's a working chisel. It could be sharper, but it's sharp enough to work with. Right, finally let's try a bit of purple heart. This is a marking gauge that didn't quite make it, so this is pretty hard stuff. It's not too bad. So that's the way I sharpen my chisel, but you know, as I say, there'll be loads of people that think that's a rubbish way of doing it, so I'm not saying it's the right way.